Right, now the question is, how do we go about fixing this send mail from not set in php.ini error? We have basically the deal is that we haven't determined who the email is from. We need to do this in order to send the email. And what we do is we don't use sort of like a from parameter here. We need to send specific headers. And if we go ahead and create a headers variable, inside this we're not just going to say who's this from, me@me.com. What we need to do is we need to work with the standardized mail header, and that is from and then a colon, not a semicolon, and then we say, for example, PHP Academy, or you could say something like admin@PHP Academy, okay, .com if you like. I mean, presumably I don't actually have that domain name, but let's just keep it as that. So from admin@phpacademy.com. So inside our mail we need to add another parameter now, and you've guessed it, that's headers. So now we can come onto here, we can type in Alex, and this is a test. Click on send me this, and now we're faced with another error. Now I'm not actually running a mail server on my computer. If you do want to run a mail server on your computer, Google for, I don't know, free mail server. This will install a mail server on your computer, much like we're doing at the moment, running under localhost, and you'll have an SMTP mail server running under localhost. Now as I don't, I'm going to be using a mail server on my university email system, and that is the DNS, the domain name server of my university email, the way the email is sent through my university. So presuming you know a specific DNS server, if you have a domain name already and if you have a website, you will know it, you'll be able to find it at least, and you'll be able to send email through that. So I know that my university email DNS server is mailhost.sheff.ac.uk, because I'm at Sheffield University. So I need to incorporate this into my php.ini, and the best way to do this is to come up here. We've set up our variables. Okay, we need to set smtp in php.ini, and I'm just going to, instead of opening up my php.ini file, I'm just going to use the ini set function, and the variable name is smtp. So we're editing this line inside our php.ini file, and I just type the mail host in there for the value. So what we can do here is just say echo get ini, which gets a specific value, and then we just say smtp, and I can just kill the script there, so we can see how this works. So if I say Alex and then test, click on send me this. Oh, sorry, I've done this a complete wrong way around. Easy mistake to make. It's ini get, and then we just refresh that. Okay, and you can see that we're basically in effect setting our SMTP inside our ini file to mailhost.sheff.ac.uk, and then I'm just echoing out the value of this. So this basically tells me that is set to mailhost.sheff.ac.uk, and presuming this mailhost server DNS server works, then the rest of our code following will work. So my email is sending. I'm going to kill the page after this, and just say, in fact no, I won't. I'll just kill the page, and then we can come back, we can say Alex, and this is a test, and just checking everything's okay. We've got my subject, my headers, so it's going to say from admin@phpacademy.com, and we're putting our body in here, and then we're executing our mail function. So if I click send me this, okay, nothing's happened, we've got no errors, so we can presume that everything has worked. If I come into my Hotmail email and click on my inbox, you can see that we've now got an email from admin@php.academy.com, and if we click on it, we've got email from PHP Academy as the subject line that we set just here, and we have the email address that I specified from. So really you could just put this as, say, from Alex or from PHP Academy, and then we have this is an email from Alex, which is the name that we gave inside the form here, and then we have 2 line breaks which are present, 1 and 2, and this is a test, which is in fact the text I put in there. So that's a mail function by using my university's DNS mail server. Your ISP will have a DNS mail server. It may require authentication, which I will be completing a tutorial on soon. So if this doesn't work for you, wait around for that tutorial, or just drop me an email or contact me through my YouTube. Okay, so I hope that was useful to a lot of people. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I look forward to making more tutorials soon. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye bye.